ATMC was really unique and different that they touch on healing the mind, body, soul aspect. We had all different types of therapies that ranged from art therapy to hiking out in the land to doing group therapies to everyday, if we wanted to, we could go to the gym. A typical day would look like you wake up early in the morning, we all eat breakfast, which was made right in front of us, and then we would go to the detox shop and we would do the sauna therapies and do the med spa for several hours, and then go back to the house, the main house, and eat lunch all together, take our supplements, have a little bit to rest, and then usually in the afternoons we would do some sort of physical activity and go out into the land and hike or go to the gym or do individual therapies or group therapies, and then we would have dinner, and then usually at night we would have another group activity.